think you're going?
Hey, Grim, you're here. I thought you'd be down at the bazaar shopping for gravity coils.
Uh-huh. Well, I'm here. I'm always here. I don't suppose you sneaking out would have anything to do with those Galactic Ranger tryouts?
I just need 1 hour. Come on, Grim. These are the Galactic Rangers we're talking about. Captain Quark will be there.
No leaving the garage until you help fix Mr. Micron's ship. Now get on that bolt crank.
2 hours later.
I'll never be a ranger. What? What do you say we get you back to my garage? I'll run a diagnostic and have you fixed up in no time.
After Ratchet rescues Duke, Red from the crash and saved his life.
Where am I?
You survived.
Am I going to die?
Hang on, slow down. You've been in a crash.
I just been save your life, that's all. Thank you so much.
It's no problem.
I'm Duke Red, by the way.
My name's Ratchet. Up and down. Yeah, there you go. You're a natural.